Now let's check how intelligent DeepSeek is. So what I'm doing here is I went to their website deepseek.com, and again previously I was at chat.deepseek.com, but now let's begin from the very start. Uh, you visit the website deepseek.com, and again they have already announced that DeepSeek-R1 is now live. So this time we will be checking DeepSeek-R1 model. So you click here on Start Now, which will give you the free access to DeepSeek V3. But once you click on that link, and you will come back again here to chat.deepseek.com. So make sure you click here. So currently it is not clicked, so you'll have to click here on DeepThink R1. Okay, so this will use the DeepThink R1 model, which is again much faster and much better than the V3, the previous model. Okay, now in order to check that how good or how efficient DeepSeek is, we previously saw that how to create a website, and we have the HTML preview, but again that is not that difficult. Any other LLM can perform the same thing. So what I did is I went to Google and I searched for math riddles. Okay, and I searched for some math riddles, and I will give a riddle as a prompt to DeepSeek, and let's see how this will perform. So here's the website, and this is what I found: 16 math riddles only smartest can get right. Okay, so different riddles, but this is the one which I will use farm life. So the riddle is, in a reply to an inquiry, blah blah blah. You can read all that stuff. Okay, this is what I will copy. I'm not copying this word riddle. Okay, I'm just copying this text here. And the answer to this riddle is: the farmer has three sheep, 2 goats, 1 horse. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, but again, let's see how DeepSeek will get it right. Okay, so we'll go back to chat.deepseek.com. We already have selected DeepThink, and I will just paste the riddle as a prompt and press enter. So as you will press enter, so we can see here thinking. So again, that is because of the model. So it has started the process, and you can see the thought process here. Okay, how this large language model is thinking, and based on what conclusion it will give us the answer. This is really interesting. I'm not sure if this thing is available in ChatGPT, so please let me know in the comments. I haven't seen that kind of option in the ChatGPT. It gives us the answer or all the steps and guides and each and everything, but what is the thought process? That I haven't seen in ChatGPT. So it is thinking like human. So this, I think, is the true artificial intelligence. And now then we will see. Now again, it is using lots. Definitely, it's a mathematical model, so it is using all these mathematical comparisons and each and everything to give us the answer. Yeah, see, it is using all those maths and everything. For a human being, definitely they will not be using any mathematics. They will just try to think, based on logic and everything. But since it is a mathematical model, so let's look at the answer. So thus now if we go back up, so again, very quickly, this is the thought process. This is how this model was thinking, like human. So okay, so the farmer has all that stuff. So first, okay, let me pass the statement. Okay, so that is the parsing. Great. Okay, so again, that is what even the humans should use. Break down the problem statement into different smaller parts. And it is using some basic stuff. So again, so there are 3 equations. Okay, again, you can go through all that stuff. But the important thing is, let's look at the answer. So the farmer has 3 sheep, 2 goats, and 1 horse. So if we go back to our riddle, so this is a riddle, and this is the answer. Has 3 sheep, 2 goats, 1 horse. Okay, so exactly the same answer, 100% accurate answer. So again, very good response. The speed is good, and we can, if the answer is wrong in the DeepSeek, so you can look at the thought process, so where it is getting it wrong. But this is truly amazing stuff. All right, so I'm going to continue with one more prompt, and because I'm more interesting to see about the thought process of a DeepSeek large language model. So let's continue with one more prompt. What is the future of electric vehicles? Hmm, Give me answer in bullet points. Okay. Okay, so it has started. So again, this is how it is thinking. This is the logic based on which it is giving us the answer. And again, you can use all of this thought process as part of your case study as well. Not only the final bullet points, which we will get in a while, but the thought process exactly like some human is thinking about any given problem. Okay, so great. So these are all the points which is about the future of electric vehicles, and this is the thought process. So again, if anyone asks you that based on what you come up with these conclusions, so you can use this text as the justification, and it took 37 seconds to come up with all of this answer. Let's try one more riddle. So this is a very basic riddle. The answer is a map. So it's talking about a map, and let's give it a try. If server is not busy. Okay, so let's see what answer we will get. So again, the thought process. It's already talking about maps. So another angle, maybe a globe. I think this it will get it right. Yeah, a map. All right. This is classical, you know, a map. Cities, but no houses. Not excellent. This is truly amazing, you know, all this logic.